It's recording. What do you want to say?
I'm gonna say happy hiking. I already told you.
What's that you got on your back?
What?
What is that on your back that you're holding? What is that?
It's this.
I know, but what is that for? Tell the camera
It's
what
for
it's for.
hiking.
I know, but what's in there?
Water.
In case?
I'm thirsty.
Yeah, and then what's those on your feet?
Hiking shoes.
Ooh, those are pretty. I'm going to send this video to Grandma Ann.
Why don't you send it to Auntie?
Okay, say hi to Grandma Ann and Auntie then.
Hi, Grandma Ann and Auntie. Hi, Grandma Ann and Auntie. Hi, Grandma Ann and Auntie.
What does this mean?
I love you.
Okay, say bye.
Happy Halloween.
It's not Halloween anymore, silly.
I love